Hi, Mike. I wanted to send you a video to show you how the new build is looking for ICSS 314. So let me give you a quick overview. If you recall, you already saw Module 1, but I wanted to start at the beginning. When this course is done, it won't have DEV here. That's just to show that it's still in development. But this is what you had already seen, except for one addition. We do have the new photo is in here, the new image, and we did get the image of Lady Justice. It's a slightly odd cropping, but otherwise I think that looks good. But now let me go back because you've already seen Module 1. So let's go back and I want to show you Modules 2, 3, and 4. And I wanted to make sure that you are happy with everything as it's currently set up. Module 2, I'm starting kind of from the launch area. Whoops. Let's go to the overview. And as always, there's a menu on top, and these are links. Students can hop right to supplemental resources or the discussion or the assignment. So Module 2 opens with the overview paragraph about the Commune of Paris, and then has the module learning objectives, as well as this is the image that is being used. So if you have any questions or concerns, definitely send me an email about that. And then it has the to-do list. That's the overview page. Then it goes into the resources. So this is the resource with the explanatory information for the Goldstone book, for one of the Paris of Commune readings with the link, another one with the link. And if you notice when you scroll over the links in this course design, it gives a little yellow squiggle. That's just another visual reminder to the student that there's a link there. We have the Fires of Paris, the Humanism reading, and then the Why the French Love to Say No, and then we have the Module 2 PowerPoint as well as the videos then. So we have Marxist philosophy. The students can play it inside. If they hit the button right here, it will play inside the module, or they can actually choose the link and it will launch them to another tab. We have the anarchism video, the Commune of Paris video, and then that is all the resources, the required resources. Then there are the supplemental resources. We had a couple, I think this one just one supplemental video. That's right, the Commune of Paris one. And then we have the discussion. So we tell the students to consider what they learned and then answer these questions. And then the same instructions and rubric will be in every discussion. So those are just the same as the module 1, and it will be the same as module 3, 4, and 5, and 6 and 7. So module 2 has the documentary reflection journal. This is something, and perhaps you're noticing that it resizes in this window. That is just something that has been happening on the NYIT Canvas system. It's not anything we can change on the iDesign side, so that's just where we're at. So we tell them to watch the 3 videos that are in the required media page, and they can link back to that if they want to. Then they choose one video and they answer the questions. It says when it is due. Same instructions, essentially, assignment guidelines and rubric are the same there. And it does show the rubric here. All assignments will show the rubric. The discussion, they can actually link to the rubric. And then this just is their next steps, reminding them what they learned and what's coming next. If I hit next, it goes straight to module 3. So let me give you a quick overview of module 3. This is what the overview page looks like. And there's your image, the module learning objectives, and then a quick update on what they're going to do. We have reading from Goldstone, the fascism reading, the Italian fascism or strongman reading, the PowerPoint, and then the videos. We have the 100 Years of Terror, Joseph Stalin, and we have some supplementary is the Viol book. And we've got the Hungarian Revolution, the cool video about the coldest town in the world, and then the Wendy's commercial. We have the discussion, reminds them to kind of think about what they learned, as well as the revolts against communism, asks them to answer these questions. And same directions, same submission guidelines. Here is the documentary reflection journal. There are only 2 documentaries that they had to watch for this one. They choose one, they answer these questions. Same submission guidelines and general directions, same rubric. And then it has the looking ahead. And then straight to module 4. And just an overview. We got the exact same image that you had in your PowerPoint. We've got the reading in Goldstone explained, the economic systems reading, the consumerism reading, the non-economic systems reading, the PowerPoint, the Keynes video, the supply side video. Then we have the discussion, because there were no supplemental resources in this particular one. And then the review journal. There are 2, and they choose one. Answer the questions, same instructions, general instructions and submission guidelines, and the same rubric. And then the looking ahead. So these are all the things that have been put into the Canvas course. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and we'll talk again soon, I hope. Take care.